Hey, how's it going? I'm trying out this solution finish on my 2008 Chevy Avalanche, and you can see here that the plastics are pretty faded. Now, I did try a test spot already, and this stuff seems to work pretty well. I just put this on about a minute ago, and this is the first test, but I'm just kind of amazed at how little of this stuff you need and how easily it seems to work. So hopefully it's going to be a lasting finish. I bought this 12-ounce bottle for about $30, and it came with the applicator pad and also a microfiber cloth. And for starters, I just put a few drops, about that much, on the test spot. So it doesn't seem to need that much, but I'll try another spot here while I've got it on the camera so you can see what's happening. So it seems to go on pretty easily, and it covers pretty well. Okay, so far I've been doing this for about a half hour, and I got the sides, but I haven't got the tonneau covers yet. So I also used it on the mirror, but you can probably see the contrast here between the sides and the tonneau covers, and this stuff is just really working pretty fantastic. And you know, time will tell to see how long it lasts, but I'll tell you, it's far better than what it looked like, so I'm pretty happy right now. Okay, here's another shot, halfway done on the tonneau cover, and this stuff is just really working pretty well. I've barely used probably about a quarter of the bottle right now. I got all the sides and the you know, the roll bar, whatever you call it, but it's just really working pretty well, so I'm happy. Alright, basically I've got everything done here. I did the mirrors, the running boards, the tonneau cover, and all of the plastics up in front, and even the door handles. So this thing turned out pretty amazing here. I'm really happy with it. And it only took about a half a bottle of the material, and it took me about an hour. So the result right now is pretty good. We'll see how long it lasts.